So in the first chapter, Environmental Science and Sustainability, in this short video, I just want to quickly walk through what I'm focusing on here, which is the first learning outcome out of 5. That is to describe how humans affect the environment. I want you to read the first portion of the chapter, what is environment and what is an ecosystem. And I'm going to highlight a few concepts here and what I want you to pay attention to in this first portion of the chapter. So environment is a collection of systems, including all living and non-living things on Earth that sustain our life. The thing I like about this concept is it's simple to understand. I believe after you learn all the chapters in this textbook, you will have a deeper understanding. So the environment has the living parts and the non-living parts. They are both very important. So if you look at the slide here, the environment could be pleasant, refreshing, vibrating, full of life. And it could be very stressful for us, like the wildfires, like the droughts, especially due to the climate change recent years we are experiencing the extreme weathers. And what a system of a collection of components, and those components have to interact with each other. They cannot function on each of its own. So imagine the environment is a system, and there's a lot of parts in the environment, non-living or living. They have to interact with each other to work harmoniously. So we have a healthy environment. An ecosystem is a community of life and the physical environment with which it interacts. So ecosystem also has the living things and the non-living things. And it is a system and also an environment. And each ecosystem is unique. I put 3 pictures here. We can see the coral reef system, mangrove system, ecosystem, and there's a desert. Some people may think the desert does not have life. It's not true. The desert have many forms of life and they're very unique. And if you look at the middle of the slide, we're living in Texas. We're close to Louisiana. We have a lot of systems like this in wetlands, and we are going to explore the importance of wetlands in the environment in later chapters. And as humans, we enjoy a lot of goods and services the ecosystem provides, and our environment provides a lot of benefits for us. Actually, we cannot live with it. So when you have time, please check out my Google Slides. It gives you a comprehensive list of what the environment do for us. So some people may say, if we want to go for economics, we have to sacrifice our ecosystem. Most of the cases, it's not necessarily so. And ecosystems are very valuable. And if we look at the money amount here, this is an old slide, and now the value are expected to increase a lot. So just give an example. Soil formation, $17 trillion, recreation, $3 trillion. Wow. And flood and storm protection, $1 trillion. And I want you to think about what kind of flood and storm protection we have from our environment in Houston and Kingwood area, from the nature. I'm not talking about the levee or the flood walls. We construct, thinking about what nature provides for us Houstonians to handle the flooding during the hurricane season. I want to give you 2 examples of how much value the ecosystem services have. One is coral reefs, 30 billion per year. I don't know why it's per pair. I think it's the auto-correction of the spelling. I'm going to correct that. And the economic value of pollination, that is around 200 billion per year worldwide. I want you to think about the challenges our environment is facing. One is why over 50% of the coral reefs died. The other is what kind of threats the domesticated honeybees are facing today. This is a human dominating Earth, and Anthropocene, that means human. So this is the background of this slide is from space at night. We can see images of the metropolitan area all linked to each other. That's how powerful the humans impact the Earth. And there are some devastating consequences too. One is the deforestation, and the other is acidification of the ocean pollution. And you can see the deeper the color is, those brownish color, that's the area where humans impact the ocean and on the lands. So, how are human activities impacting the local environment you are living in? We have a discussion on D2L. This concludes the first portion of the chapter 1.